everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, this video is going to be somewhat like of a different video. So I'm going to show you guys what I ordered versus what I got, and I'm going to show you guys my Zivame haul. So let's just dive in. I have a lot of pieces to show you guys. I have all the pieces right here. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys all the pieces that I ordered and everything about it. So let's get right into the video now. So before starting, I do want to say that Zivame is having a New Year, New You sale from 5th January 8 p.m. They are having up to 60% off, and not only that, they are having easy returns up to 15 days policy as well, and along with free shipping, cash on delivery, and if you use my code Arnakshi Zivame, you are going to get additional 10% off. So that's really an amazing sale for you guys. So I will leave all the information down in the description as usual. So let's just get into the try on haul now. So the first thing that I ordered here is, as you can see on the screen as well, this is a thigh shaper. It is supposed to be, falling on your high waist, and it's supposed to just tone your thighs. I honestly love it so much. I thought I was just going to wear it underneath my dresses or stuff like that, not outside. But once I got it, I was like so impressed with the quality of it that I am actually just going to wear this outside. Only with a sweater or a t-shirt, I can totally wear this outside. You can also do your gym, your yoga with this. As you guys know, I am not much of a fitness freak, but I tend to sometimes, do meditation and stuff like that. So it is super comfortable to wear, and it has this amazing elastic grip to it too, and it actually makes my thighs and also the upper waist section look so nice, like so toned. I really absolutely love it so much. So that is definitely something that I am going to be wearing around, not only in the house but also outside, just casually, with t-shirts or with sweaters now. And yeah, I absolutely do love it a lot. So the next thing I have is this sweatshirt that I got. I will pop the picture up obviously. So this sweatshirt, I did not expect it to have this amazing quality to it. So this is something that you can actually wear outside or inside your house as well. This, I'm definitely going to wear this outside, not wearing this inside the house. So this honestly gives me very much of 2000s, like early 2090s vibe to it, because it has this soft matte velvet, finish to it. Back in 90s, like early 2000s, I used to wear, like we all used to wear a lot of velvet type of clothing style, and I think it's back. Velvet is back in style, and it is so soft. I love it so much. I feel like Paris Hilton used to wear something like this back in the day. I mean, now also this kind of sweatshirt and activewear is back. So I am actually really loving it. So and yeah, I'm really loving it so much. You can just put the zipper up, and you have your amazing, sweatshirt that you can wear out, or you can put the zipper down. And I like to put my zipper down because I feel like I don't have that elongated neck. So I don't like to wear anything that has, my neck covered. So yeah, obviously going to wear my zipper down, and I love it so much. Also, I feel like you can wear this with your jeans, you can wear this with your leggings, you can pair this with even your skirts if you want to. So for me, this one was totally a win. So the next thing I got here is this thermal leggings. As you can see in the picture, it is this nude leggings, tight leggings that you can wear around the house. And that is exactly what I got. I have to tell you guys that this leggings is so comfortable, especially because I live in an area where it's not too cold. I can just get away with wearing this kinds of things and just wear a very loose sweatshirt on top, and that's it. I really actually love it so much. It's super comfortable to wear. I can work around the house, lounge in it, and yeah, it is really comfortable to wear as well. And also, this is something that I would wear in the summers too, because I feel like it is a material that you can wear even in the summers and even in the winters too. So while shopping for these leggings, I came across so many different styles of leggings to wear around the house, and I realized that actually Zivame has such unlimited styles and options to choose from, and they are currently actually having just a limited offer sale period. So definitely check it out. So the next thing I have here are these leggings that I got. I actually got them to wear outside, not just only to gym or something like that. I got this to wear outside. So this quality is so good, I have to tell you guys. And I didn't get like a whole like a skinny legging thing. I got like kind of like a straight leg. It's not exactly like a straight leg or like a flared, but it has a little bit of that straight leg, you know, a cut to it, something that I am super comfortable with. This I got it mainly because I have to go out and, you know, run errands and stuff, so I don't want to wear my jeans at that time, and I want something like this that is super comfortable to wear, and you can just wear this and a t-shirt, you know, wear a t-shirt and go out the door. So that is why I got this. And this, honestly, I can pair it with like crop t-shirts or even sweatshirts nowadays. I can pair it with that, and yes, I absolutely love it so much. Actually, the quality is super good, and this is something that you can, you know, go out and about to gym as well. And if you are someone who does yoga in your house and you like to wear something like this even around the house, you can wear this totally. I love that this has a little bit of that orange, you know, block color to it, so it makes this look much more aesthetic. That's how I would say. So yeah, actually absolutely love this one, and I think it's totally worth the price, and it is exactly as shown in the website as well. This is exactly what I got, and actually I have to say much more better, because I thought for some reason the material of this flared you know, leggings is going to be very thin, but actually it is quite a thick material, I do have to say that. So the next thing I got here is this beautiful lace bra. So this is actually, you can wear this like a strapless bra too. You can just you know, just clip this out and you can wear this like your strapless bra. So honestly, first of all, I have to talk about the color of this. It is so beautiful. The pads in here are super comfortable. Even though it has a underwire to it, it is comfortable to wear, you know. And I am someone, I actually prefer underwire bras because I don't have, you know, large boobs, so it actually helps me to support these and to make it look much more better. So this is why I love to wear this. I like to wear this with sheer tops too, because I can just wear this with a sheer t-shirt or even like, you know, sheer white tops, and yeah, it really looks nice, and it is very supportive, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable in any way. Also, this color is something that I love, and you can never have too many red bras in your collection. When I saw this, I was like, yes, I want it. I immediately got it, and I was thinking it was going to be somewhat uncomfortable because of the, you know, strapless thing too, because sometimes, you know, strapless bras can be uncomfortable and you have to just pull it up in public all the time. But with this, I noticed that you don't have to do that. It stays in place really nicely. So yes, really good, and I am super happy that this fits me, because a lot of bras don't tend to fit me. I really have, as I said, very small boobs, so a lot of bras don't tend to fit me, but this one fits me so well, like a glove. Also, I do have to say that Zivame actually has amazing, you know, styles, and they are totally keeping up with the 2022, you know, latest trends. Definitely, you can see that in this velvet sweatshirt itself. I mean, I was so impressed that they had something like this in their collection. I am totally onto velvet now. Like, I want everything in velvet. So the last thing that I got here is this sports bra. So again, this is somewhat similar to the pants that I got. Yeah, it's like a set, but obviously I can just wear it alone or like a set as I want to. So this is something that I actually can wear under my sweatshirts and whenever I am going out, and not just around the house. So the best thing about this is that this has clip-on things. So a lot of the times when I hate wearing sports bras because I have to put them all the way over my head and it's a task, you know. But with this, I can just clip it on and just, you know, put this on so easily. So that is something that I really love. It definitely supports my, you know, chest a lot nicely than other sports bras, and it is exactly like how I ordered. And I did not think it was going to have pads in here, but it has this amazing pads. Like, they are very soft, and they are not like thick and heavy pads that are going to, you know, make your chest area look ugly. They are very tiny pads, but they do have pads, which is amazing, because I feel like, you know, a lot of sports bras don't come with pads, and these ones come with pads and they look super fit. And I actually love the style of this, and it has this back. The back style is actually really good, something that I actually would wear outside as well. So absolutely did love it. The quality is amazing. So this was my whole haul from Zivame, and you guys should definitely check out the New Year New You sale, which is starting from January 5th, 8 p.m. up to 60% off, and you can use my code Arnakshi Zibame to get additional 10% off. There is cash on delivery, free shipping. Along with that, you are getting easy 15-day return and exchanges as well. So I just feel like this sale is super amazing to grab some important stuff that you might have been, waiting for. So I actually did love everything, but obviously my favorite is this sweatshirt because oh my god, I can actually sleep in it. It is so comfortable to wear, and it is something that totally gives me that 90s vibe. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Also, you can download the Zivame app in your phone, and you can easily order things, and you can keep things in your wish list as well. So yeah, I will leave all the information down in the description box, and yeah, go check out the sale. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
You are a summer and afterglow.